Hi, this is Jenny Strebe with AIIR Professional, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful romantic bun utilizing Texture AIIR and some rope braiding techniques. Let's go and get started. So for this style, we're gonna go ahead and feature the Texture AIIR. Now this is gonna give her hair a lot of grit and texture. So we're just gonna lightly apply it all over. And then for this type of whimsical style, I don't like to use a lot of brushes or combs. I'm simply just gonna use my fingers. So I'm gonna turn her and then divide the hair in half. And we're going from top of the ear to the other side. We're gonna create two ponytails, so one on top and one on bottom. But before we do, I wanna leave a little bit of hair out for softness. So what I like to do is just kind of see what hair naturally wants to fall out. So use your palms, just kind of massage the hair and grab some of those little wispies, pull them forward for that really soft romantic look. Now we're going to secure the hair with an elastic. And do the same thing with the bottom section. Now, before we create our rope braids inside of these ponytails, I want to add a little softness. So again, kind of taking my palms, pulling some of that hair out. Then I like to hold on to the hair elastic and just simply pinch and pull pieces out to give it an erratic texture. That's going to make it look like very soft and elegant. Now we're gonna create our rope braid technique by dividing the hair in half. Again, focusing on that Texture AIIR because that's gonna give it a lot of substance and grit to the rope braid. Spraying it all over. So now we're gonna go ahead and twist to the right and take that section up and over to the left and continue until we get to the bottom of her hair and secure it with a hair elastic. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom section. So again, we're going to use the Texture AIIR, spray it on the rope braid. I like to take the ends and simply just kind of pinch and pull the hair to really move this hair elastic up. You can see when the hair gets a little floppy, that's a great time to go ahead and use the Texture AIIR in there because it'll give it some substance. Now we're gonna take our rope braids and create a bun with both of them and bobby pin it into place. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom rope braid. Because sometimes when you use the Texture AIIR and you create these tousled looks, sometimes it can cause a little bit of flyaways and friction to the hair, which can cause frizz. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish it off with some shine spray, and then curl the front pieces, and then that is about it. So I'm gonna take a large curling iron, simply curl away from the face, just a little bit. We're gonna do some light teasing with our fingers in the front pieces here, and then setting it with the flexible hold hairspray, just a touch. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A really easy, messy updo with using some Texture AIIR and a couple rope braid techniques.